Is n8n dead? This is the biggest question I've been getting over the last couple of weeks. People have been asking, should I switch from n8n to Claude Code? And people have been asking what I've been thinking. And my honest opinion is they're just fundamentally different. When I started making YouTube videos, I was getting a few thousand views with n8n videos. But as a lot of people in the n8n space have just noticed recently that the views are starting to go down. And all of a sudden, over the last few months, Claude Code has been surpassing n8n when it comes to search interest and views. But is n8n actually dead? To be honest, I don't think so. n8n will never be dead in my eyes because it still plays a big part in the AI space, and it's still super solid. And n8n still does have a really good community. People have been asking, should I learn Claude Code instead of n8n? But my honest opinion is, I think that you should start with n8n because it's a lot clearer, it's easy to use, and it's just definitely a simple way to automate workflows. Claude Code at the start is a bit overwhelming, I can't lie. I found it very overwhelming, especially when you're looking and trying to understand Python scripts. And that's coming from someone who is quite tech savvy with n8n. Even I find it still overwhelming to use some AI systems. And truthfully, nobody actually knows where the AI space is going next. We've got loads of people in the AI space who are jumping left or right on different automations, and they don't really know where it's going to go next. So, 1 minute you're using Zapier, then it's jumping on the n8n, and now it's Claude Code. And if it works for you, why not still use it? So overall, I actually don't think that n8n will ever officially die. I still use n8n to build simple workflows that I use for clients. I help recruitment companies, connect their candidates with companies that are actively hiring. I use what I call a connector angle system. So instead of just sending random leads to recruiters, I connect recruitment companies who already have candidates with companies that are actively hiring. So essentially, I act as a connector between the two, and that works for me. And I host weekly live sales calls in my free community, so feel free to join and you can learn where I break down exactly how I close recruitment clients. Inside, you'll learn how to build your own system and to land your first recruitment client. So overall, n8n is not dead. People use Zapier before, people are using n8n now, and now people are moving on to Claude. So whatever works for you, it works for you. And you can join my free skill community in the description below, and hopefully stay inside where I can teach you how to close recruitment clients on live sales calls.